everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Strava account on your phone. Whether you are a runner, cyclist, or just starting your fitness journey, Strava is a great app to track it all, so let's get started. First, make sure Strava application is downloaded and installed on your device. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Strava app. On the welcome screen, you will be given with two options. If you already have an account, then simply tap on Login and fill up your credentials. But for now, we are trying to sign up, so tap on Join for free. As you can see, you are given with two options, either to continue with Google or with your email address. For this demo, we will be signing up using our email address. Enter your email address. Once done, tap Sign Up. So here, you can either switch to one-time codes or use password instead. I will go with one-time code for this demo. As you can see, a 6-digit code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that real quick. And just like that, you will be able to create your Strava account. And that's it. Your Strava account is now ready. You can now record runs, follow friends, and track your progress over time. If this video helped, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss out on more tutorials. Comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.